Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Shopify Payments for crypto checkout alerts step by step clearly. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Payments within the settings menu. Scroll down to the supported payment methods section. Look for the option labeled Shopify Payments and click on Manage. In the Shopify Payments settings, locate the Fraud Prevention section. Enable the option for receiving alerts for crypto transactions. Next, navigate to the Notifications section in your Shopify admin panel. Click on Notifications from the left sidebar. In the Notifications menu, find Checkout Notifications. Here, you can customize the alert settings for crypto transactions. Make sure to enter your email address to receive the alerts. You may also want to integrate a third-party app for more advanced crypto checkout alerts. Visit the Shopify App Store to find suitable applications. Choose an app that meets your requirements for crypto notifications. Install the app by clicking on the Add App button. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Once the app is installed, configure its settings to receive crypto checkout alerts. Make sure to test the notifications to ensure they are working correctly. Review all your settings and adjust as necessary for optimal performance. Your Shopify store will now notify you of crypto checkouts, keeping you informed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.